phone holder to record your videos. Today I am making some healthy Magical Mama ramen soup. Also part of the never-ending Magical Mama's power of how to make one roasted chicken last for 3 or more meals. So we've already eaten on this like twice. My suggestion is first day, tear off enough meat for each person in the family. And by the way, your protein serving size is the size of the palm here. So protein, carbohydrates, and that's all you really need to know. Vegetables are unlimited. Eat as many as you want. So we already did that. Now I threw it in some water with the whole chicken in the water. I'm going to be adding some fresh ginger, garlic. I have some better than bouillon. Some, I can't pronounce it, gochujang, Korean chili. Yummy. I have a little bit of chili garlic sauce. My friend gave me some Thai curry, green curry paste. These are excellent. You can get these at Costco. Delicious, healthy. I have a little bit of orange peppercorn, some fresh cilantro, green onions, cabbage, and carrots. All right, I'll meet you back here in a minute.